Welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. On this channel, I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news. I make reviews. I talk about crypto. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Now, in today's video, I'll be talking about how you can get free futures trading signals on Binance. A lot of people don't know about this. This is a very simple trick. Now, I'm going to give you guys the wrong side of this, the bad part, then I'll show you guys the good side, how it works. There are a lot of ways you can actually get signals for trading. Some people pay people to give them signals. Some people learn technical analysis themselves and they begin to trade their own with their own analysis and all. Like there are some people that they just go to the market and they guess and all. Now this video is not to encourage you to start trading futures, especially if you are not familiar with trading, you don't have any prior knowledge of trading. This video is to just show you something that you guys do not know. So to get free signals on Binance for futures trading is not difficult. I'll be showing you step by step how you can get these free these free signals for futures. Now, if you look at the Binance homepage, you look at the lower part, you're going to see home, market, trade, futures, and wallet. You're going to click on futures. When you click on futures, you will see the futures interface, right? Then from this place, make sure if this thing is on CoinM or options or bar2, you have to take it from there and make sure next time it is on USDSM. This is the futures interface. Then when you click on it, slightly below, look at the extreme right. You're going to see the more menu drop down. That's the more menu icon, these three dots. You click on this dot. From there you will see various stuff and you will see chat room. You click on your chat room. Now when you click the chat room and the chat room opens, I will show you what to do in this chat room. Now in this chat room, you see that there are various chat rooms. You have the futures chat room, you have the trader wagon, social chat room, you even have the ones in Chinese and all. You're going to click on this futures chat room. In this futures chat room, you will see various futures traders, different futures traders in the futures chat room. These guys are guys that can trade and some people don't know how to trade. So the best way to get your signal is to do technical analysis, but there are some guys in this chat room that are very, very good traders as well. But this is what you do when you join. Like I'm part of the chat room, I go there, I drop signals, and I also interact with people and all. So when you come to the chat room where you interact with traders, what you now do is you begin to read through. Most of the time, a lot of traders drop signals, right? They drop the trade they're about to take, they drop their signals. And also if you are here and you get it early or you get in early, you're going to get good signals and all. But the problem is it is not wise to take signal from somebody. Look at this guy just dropped a signal that is like 1 minute ago. Entry 37,200, take profits, target 1 37,900, second 38,150. This for Bitcoin. Third 38,400, stop loss 36,750, right? So this is like a signal. It is not wise for you to just come and you see the signal, you quickly rush to go and take the trade. Some people will drop signal and so many things will go wrong. The best thing you do is you make sure you do your own analysis before you now jump in, because at the end of the day you might end up losing money, and if you are lucky you'll be successful. But the idea behind this video is to just show you that Binance has this feature where traders actually drop signals for themselves and all. But the thing is, when you want to do this, make sure you see the signal and quickly run to take the trade. You seek the signal, go to your trading view chart, then see the setup or see the coin, then pick the best time you think you want to enter. And if you think the signal, you're not convinced that this thing is well placed and everything, you can avoid the trade entirely. Way you can actually access this very easily. The reason I have to go through the longer routes is to just make sure that anytime they change their interface, because it might not look like this in your own app, you would know where it is, you know where to get the chart from. It is better for you to know the exact place it is so that you would not be struggling if I show you the shortcut. Now, if your Binance app is not opening like this, you can click on this drop down menu, this face that is moving left and right. Your Binance might be on Binance Lite, so you click on this, it will switch to Binance Pro. So mine was in Binance Pro, I'm switching to Binance Lite. So it's possible that your Binance is looking like this, it means it is on Binance Lite. All you need to do is you just come here and you switch it off and you click it to Binance Pro. Once it is Binance Pro, you are going to see this kind of screen. And if you are seeing this chart screen in your home page, just click on chat room. If you click on chat room, it will take you to exactly this place, and you click on features chat room, and that is it, right? You click on features chat room, and you begin to check out for signals and interact with other traders and begin to know what is about to happen. Please make sure you do not just use people's signal anyhow. Make sure you are very careful, you do your own research, you don't just jump into the market, because it is very, very risky. You might end up losing the little one you have, right? So that is the end of this video. There are other features on this Binance app that I've explored. I'll be taking you through them later on, but not today. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.